Hello everyone. Today we are going to check one invoicing plugin for WordPress. If you are a startup or business owner who want to create invoice for your client, and if you want to accept payment from that invoice, then maybe this might be helpful for you. So let's get started. First, we have to install one plugin. Let's go to the plugin and click on plugins. So we can search easy invoice WordPress plugin. This is easy invoice is WordPress plugin to create different type of invoicing for your client, and you can accept payment too. So let's install the plugin. It's activated, and it's already activated. You can see the navigation menu, right side, left side, on left sidebar of your WordPress dashboard. So you can see the list of the sub menus from here. So there is a new invoice. You can see a new invoice from here too. So we can create new invoice from here. So let's give one title for that invoice. That is simple web design invoice. So this is the description of that invoice. Is the simple description of the invoice. Now we have to create the different items for that invoices. So let's create one item. Here you can put quantity 1 or 2 as per your need for your clients. For now the testing purpose, I'm going to put 2 and web design on item title. Adjustment, if you want to add any additional amount on that price, you can add adjust percentage for, let's say, 10% on your extra charge on that price. If you want to add that price, then you can put here in any number. For now you can ignore it or just put 0. And rate means how much do you want to charge for your service on that particular item. Let's say 1500 USD, 3000 total item. And taxable, it means if this item is taxable or not. If this item is taxable, you can check this field. So I am going to check this field. It means this item is taxable, so it will add any additional tax amount on that invoice price. This is the invoice invoice description. So you can write as per your need. And line item 2, let's say quantity 1. Line item 2 means, let's say, web hosting service at just 0 and rate 200. Description, this is description. I'm not going to make this line item taxable, so for now I am going to leave this field. And you can see the subtotal here, and tax 300. It means tax percentage is 10, so that's why it's showing 300. And you can put any discount number. So let's say I'm going to 10% discount. You can put 10 as a fixed amount, or you can change discount type to percentage, so that discount will be calculated based on your total invoice total. The calculation method, you can choose different calculation method, like before tax, after tax. It means discount will be calculated before or after tax. If I change to before, then it will calculate before tax. If I go to after tax, then it will calculate discount after tax. So I'm going to put before tax for now. And client email, you can put your client email here. The wpmesh@gmail.com, client mail wmesh https your client website url.com. That it means you have to put your client website here, and you can put your client address and other additional information here. Okay. And invoice status means available, draft, overdue. For now I'm going to put available. Draft means client unable, cannot pay for that. To overdue means your due period is exceed. Paid means this invoice is already paid, unpaid means unpaid, cancelled means this invoice is cancelled. It is invoice number, this is auto generated number, you can change if you want to, but for now I am going to leave it as it is. Order number means 001. We have to put order number manually. Created date, that means invoice created date, and due date means when the last date of that invoice. So I'm going to put 9 March is the last date. Currency means United USD. So this will I'm not going to change this currency because I want to make payment on USD, so I want to leave as it is. And price enter with tax or yes, inclusive or exclusive tax. It means price will be calculated as per this method. Tax, it means how much tax do we want to add on that invoice. So let's publish it. Okay, this invoice published, and you can send this link to your client. For now it's showing some 404, that's why I'm going to flush the permalink for now. It means sometime due to the cache or some permalink issue, this might be the permalink issue, so it's showing the invoice. Now you can print that invoice, so and you can use your for internal purpose, or you can download this invoice as a PDF. This is downloadable PDF now file for that invoice. And if you want to send mail to that particular client, then you can send mail from here. If I click on this button, then this button will be changed to green. It means email is already sent to the client with that link. So this is the total invoice, and your client can pay from proceed to payment section, proceed to payment button. So if your client click on here, then you will see PayPal option from one pop-up, but we haven't set any payment option from here. So let's set up the payment. We can set up payment from invoice setting and payment, and we have different types of payment gateway. For now we can set up default is PayPal, and authorized.net will be available on their paid plan. So I'm just going to set up PayPal standards. So payment gateway, I'm going to check this, and you can write your PayPal address here. So I am going to leave it blank. So for now we are not going to make payment, so just leaving blank for now. And we can see the different we can see the invoice from here, and we will see the print, download button, and other type of button from here, and proceed to pay button 2. This will load your pop-up window. This will show pop-up window, and you can proceed to payment, but we haven't set up payment at PayPal address yet, so payment will not be processed for now. This is the design of payment invoice. Now you can, if you want to add any additional feature, if you want to like different type of design on PDF, then you can upgrade from here. Or if you want to add any additional payment gateway like credit card support, you can buy this add-ons just by clicking here. You can see their pricing page, so you can buy from it if you want to. Like custom invoice link will be available on premium, PDF and customization, text watermark on invoice PDF, image watermark on PDF, invoice status watermark on invoice PDF, admin email customization will coming soon as per their page. Invoice CSV exports feature will be available on Pro, additional text translation available in Pro, client area profile shortcode available in Pro, login shortcode available in Pro, restrict content to client available in Pro version of the Easy Invoice plugin. You can buy it now with $30, $39. So we have finished. You can see the invoice from here, and you can download as PDF directly from the invoice listing page of admin panel. Simply this will download your invoice. You can send it to your client, or you can send direct link to your client as per your convenient. Total due amount means this amount will be payable for client. So thank you for watching the video. See you in next video.